See, I know it says that we're streaming live, but it doesn't really turn on the, when you're looking at YouTube, it's not on. There it goes. Okay. Good morning, court call, State of Texas versus Bradley Bednar. This is cause number 2024 CC 739344. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We're also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings to keep them public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in the Bexar County, Texas Jail Court. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Mia Carranza for the state.
Elizabeth, defense.
And sir, are you the same Bradley Bednar charged by information with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you, sir? Mr. Bednar, can you hear us?
Yes, sir. Cutting out a little bit.
I'm sorry, say again?
It's cutting out a little bit.
Yeah, I think we got a little bit of bad connection. It's a little bit tougher when people are speaking in the back, but again, I'm going to ask you, are you the same Bradley Bednar charged by information with criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to use a function of Zoom. It's called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. You should see a document that's called the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
I signed this. You're telling me two things. One, that you understand normally we do pleas live in an open court, but you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Was that a yes?
Yes, sir.
And then I couldn't hear what you said, but your electronic.
Sir.
One more time, go ahead.
I fully understand it.
I couldn't hear what he said.
Judge, I think he said he fully understands it.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. All right, great. Thank you, Mr. Bednar. The second thing about signing this document is your electronic signature here, as well as all the other electronic signatures in the plea packet in front of me. You're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. I'm scrolling to the next document. It's called the court's admonishments. It's a 2-page document. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
On page 2, using my cursor, I'm circling electronic signatures. Is yours?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to get out a share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir. To keep stuff right. Yes, sir.
And the rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea, the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments, and I make them a part of the record. And state, can you recite the plea bargain for me, please?
$0 fine, court costs, 34 days in the Bexar County Jail with credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Ms. Settle, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
And Mr. Bednar, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
And sir, you should know that I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea. We will proceed to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Sir.
I couldn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Believe that it's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sort of the offense that's listed on your information. How do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
Yes, sir. Do you understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, sir.
Other than your plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today? Well, I'll ask you a different way. You have a plea bargain, right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone give you, promise you anything outside of the plea bargain to make you plead today?
No, sir. I was
Did anyone,
signed by-
did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
Find that the plea is freely, intelligently, and voluntarily made, that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find you guilty, sir. Counsel, did we waive the pre-sentence investigation report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
There being no legal reason in accordance with the agreement of the state, sir, I sentence you to 34 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine and court costs. Time and the money will run concurrent. This is judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a plea bargain case. I followed the plea bargain. So you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm also noting you waived your appeal in the plea bargain agreement. I'm making a certification of this for the record. We'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. And for the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing further.
Nothing from the state.
Oh, one more thing, Ms. Settle, did you get the discovery and sign the discovery agreement?
I have not gotten the agreement yet. I'll sign it as soon as I mean, maybe it's there right now, but I haven't signed it yet. I did get the discovery.
Okay, all right. With that, then this matter is now concluded. Thank you, Mr. Bednar, and I'm turning off YouTube Live.
Rich.